Don't do any of these things to your man because you are destroying your relationship. Don't put him down in front of other people. This is such a common thing. We are together with friends, he tells a story and then you interrupt him and you tell him, no babe, this is not at all how it went. And then you continue to tell the story like you believe it actually went. But when you mother your man like that, you not only bruise his sensitive ego, but you also make him feel completely incompetent. And what could even happen in the long run is that because he constantly feels emasculated by your behavior, he can even lose his sexual attraction for you. The second thing you should never do is go all crazy during a fight and bring up every little detail from the past. Because women hang on way longer to emotional pain than men do. For example, when you remember something that he said last year that really hurt you, when you think of it today, you will still feel the pain that you felt then. But because this happened a long time ago, he has already moved on from it. So he will probably literally ask you, what are you talking about? That happened last year. Instead of bottling up all your anger inside of you, and at some point during a fight, you completely explode and everything comes out. Whenever he does something that hurts you, address it in that moment. And the last thing you should never do is gossip about your man to your girlfriends. Because while you may feel relieved by discussing the relationship problems you have, your friends will start to see him in a different light. And this will not only change the behavior they have towards him, they will also feel more free to talk bad about him to you. And that could have devastating effects on the quality of your relationship. This is why you shouldn't marry a rich man. This is how men are wired when it comes to money. Men identify their own value with how much money they have. And if in a relationship a man has more money than a woman, he automatically thinks that he has the prime decision-making authority. And this is where the problem is. When you meet a man who has a lot of money, you automatically assume that this man will be able to give you a lifestyle that will make you feel safe. Because now you will never have to worry about money again. But you're forgetting one thing. Just because he is very rich, that doesn't mean that you automatically are rich as well by marrying him. The only way that you are actually going to be rich as well is if your husband is willing to give away a substantial amount of his wealth to you. But to him, that is the same thing as giving his power away to you. This is the reason why a man changes in the beginning. In the beginning, a man will fall for you because he believes that you're beautiful, sexy, and attractive. And while a woman always needs to get to know a man before she can allow herself to fall for him, a man can literally fall in love with the idea of this woman he sees in front of him. And this explains why a man in the beginning may be all over you with texting, calling, sending you flowers, taking you on date nights. Because he is crazy about the image he has created about you in his brain. But when he's been dating you for a while, and maybe you've even slept with him, so his testosterone levels have calmed down, then he actually sees if you two are compatible. And while you may feel that you're getting closer to him, because when a woman is sleeping with a man, the love hormone oxytocin is being released in her brain, and that actually makes a woman feel bonded with a man. The opposite might be happening to him, and he may start to realize that you two are not a good fit. And that's exactly the reason why a man after 3 months might suddenly cool off. That's why I always say try not to sleep with him within the first 3 months, because that's the time a man needs to understand if he really wants you or not.